How can everyone use your Cameo selfies on Snapchat? Today, guys, I will show you how to allow everyone can use your Cameo selfie on Snapchat. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snap. Then when Snap is opening, you go here on your profile. Then click. Then go to settings and click again. Then go to Cameos and click. And then guys go to use my Cameo selfie. For example, if it is only me like that and you wanna everyone use your Cameo selfie, you will go to everyone like this and just will back and it's done. So this is the end of this video. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you next video.